Hello. In this video, you will learn to speak English clearly and without mistakes. You will hear common sentences where many learners make errors. We will practice them together, slowly and clearly. This trains good grammar, clear word order, and strong structure. I will say each sentence twice, so you can speak with me. By the way, I have written my first book about my life in England. With funny stories, you can learn everyday English. You find the link in the comments. Are you ready? The table is new. The table is new. The lamp is old. The lamp is old. The car is fast. The car is fast. Today I am learning English. Today I am learning English. In the evening I read a book. In the evening I read a book. I worked yesterday. I worked yesterday. I help my friend. I help my friend. I see my brother. I see my brother. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. The children play in the park. The children play in the park. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in London. I live in London. I don't have time today. I don't have time today. I can speak English well. I can speak English well. Tomorrow I go to work. Tomorrow I go to work. I learn English because I live in England. I learn English because I live in England. I have seen a film. I have seen a film. I get up every day at 7 o'clock. I get up every day at 7 o'clock. I give the man the book. I give the man the book. I buy an apple. I buy an apple. I am interested in music. I am interested in music. My brother is taller than me. My brother is taller than me. I lived in Spain before. I lived in Spain before. Tomorrow I will stay at home. Tomorrow I will stay at home. Did you understand the text? Did you understand the text? Yes, I understood it. Yes, I understood it. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I have to work longer today. I have to work longer today. First, I do my homework. First, I do my homework. Then I meet my friends. Then I meet my friends. I have been learning English for 1 year. I have been learning English for 1 year. Before eating, I wash my hands. Before eating, I wash my hands. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. Today I go to my doctor. Today I go to my doctor. I am at my girlfriend's. I am with my girlfriend. I have already eaten. I have already eaten. I don't have an answer yet. I don't have an answer yet. I am learning English right now. I am learning English right now. I always arrive on time. I always arrive on time. I never arrive late. I never arrive late. I stay at home because I am ill. I stay at home because I am ill. I think that he is coming today. I think that he is coming today. If I have time, I will call you. If I have time, I will call you. Although I am tired, I study. Although I am tired, I study. I am ill, so I stay at home. I am ill, so I stay at home. It is raining, yet I go for a walk. It is raining, yet I go for a walk. Before I sleep, I read a book. Before I sleep, I read a book. After I have eaten, I drink coffee. After I have eaten, I drink coffee. While I cook, I listen to music. While I cook, I listen to music. Since I live here, I speak English. Since I live here, I speak English. When I was little, I played a lot. When I was little, I played a lot. Do you know where he lives? Do you know where he lives? Can you tell me when the train comes? Can you tell me when the train comes? I speak slowly and correctly. I speak slowly and correctly. That is a big dog. That is a big dog. I have a big dog. I have a big dog. I play with a big dog. I play with a big dog. I don't have a car. I don't have a car. I don't have time. I don't have time. That is my brother. That is my brother. I see my brother. I see my brother. I help my brother. I help my brother. Many people learn English. Many people learn English. Few mistakes are normal. Few mistakes are normal. English gets better every day. English gets better every day. I say the sentence correctly. I say the sentence correctly. I repeat difficult sentences. I repeat difficult sentences. I remember the appointment. I remember the appointment. I look forward to the weekend. I look forward to the weekend. I am interested in languages. I am interested in languages. I take my time. I take my time. I need more practice. I need more practice. There are many possibilities. There are many possibilities. You learn from mistakes. You learn from mistakes. I have forgotten that again. I have forgotten that again. I have not understood it yet. I have not understood it yet. I try to make fewer mistakes. I try to make fewer mistakes. I learn a lot to speak better. I learn a lot to speak better. Today I learned a lot. Today I learned a lot. I speak clearly and loudly. I speak clearly and loudly. Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? I learn English because I work here. I learn English because I work here. When I practice, I make progress. When I practice, I make progress. I want to speak English today. I want to speak English today. I will call you later. I will call you later. I have read the text. I have read the text. I make my sentences clear. I make my sentences clear. I pay attention to every word. I pay attention to every word. With practice, I speak confidently. With practice, I speak confidently. Very well done. Today, you practiced many common sentences without mistakes. These are exactly the structures where many learners feel unsure. You focused on articles, word order, tenses, and endings. Repeat the sentences often and say them aloud. This stores the correct forms in your mind. Mistakes are normal, but with practice they get fewer. Train a few minutes each day. Focused and calm. If you liked the video, give me a like and leave a comment. Write which sentences were difficult for you. Subscribe to the channel and keep practicing with me. See you in the next video.